We're working on the exterior angle theorem worksheet, and basically this one is the sum of the remote interior angles equals the exterior angle, one at each vertex. So in number 1, the question mark is an exterior angle, and it's equal to the sum of the remote interior angles, which is 70 plus 24, so that angle must be 94 degrees. And number 2, question mark is equal to the sum of the other remote interior angles, so 82 plus 42 equals 124, and that's the measure of that angle. 150 equals 90 plus question mark, so 60 must be question mark. 143 equals 49 plus question mark, so question mark must equal 94 degrees. In the next problems, we solve for x. The exterior angle 17x minus 1 is equal to 84 plus 7x plus 5. Then we need to solve for x, and that's all we need to do for this one. So we combine like terms, take 7x away from both sides, add 1 to both sides, we get x is equal to 9. For number 6, 11x plus 3 is equal to 85 plus 5x minus 10. Combine like terms, and take 5x away from both sides, and take 3 away from both sides, x is equal to 12. For number 7, 12x plus 7 is equal to 5x minus 1 plus 37. Take 7 away from both sides, take 5x away from both sides, 7x is equal to 45, so x is equal to 7. And that means that angle WST is equal to 12 times 7 plus 7, which is equal to 91 degrees. In number 8, the exterior angle 5x plus 14 is equal to 3x minus 10 plus 46. Combine like terms. Take 3x away from both sides, take 14 away from both sides, x is equal to 11. Plug it in to find EFD. EFD then is 5 times 11 plus 14, which might not be right. For number 9, we want to find the measure of the missing angle. All 3 of these have to add up to 180 degrees. That's triangle sums theorem. So 80 and 35 is 115. It takes another 65 degrees to get 180. For number 10, all 3 of these have to add up to 180. Combine like terms, and we get 25x is equal to 100, or x is equal to 4. So angle A is going to be 9 times 4 plus 9, which is equal to 40. In 11, we have a vertical angle. We can figure out the top vertical angle, because 180 take away 70 is 110 degrees. We can jump that across because of the vertical angles, and 110 and 25 is 135, which takes another 45 degrees to be 180. So question mark is 45 degrees. For number 12, we can use vertical angles and jump those measures into the triangle. So we have 9x minus 2 plus 40 is equal to 110, because those are remote interior angles compared to 110. Take 38 away from both sides and divide by 9. We get x is equal to 8. Looking at number 13, we can use vertical angles. 73 is going to be inside. X plus 74 is going to be inside. Add them all up and just make them equal 180. Combine like terms. 2x plus 184 is equal to 180. 2x is equal to negative 4, so x is a negative 2 for that one. And to do the check, because negative 2 is kind of a weird answer, we plug it back in and check and see if it does come out to be 180, and it does. Looking at number 14, the best place to start is to use vertical angles, so we can jump to 85 into that triangle. And that with the 37 lets me know what that angle is at the bottom. When we subtract from 180, the 37 and the 85, we get 58 degrees. That's a 58-degree angle. The 58 and the 52 and whatever the other angle is would be one way of getting the triangle, but we could also do 58 and 52 as an exterior angle, which is equal to question mark plus 62. And when we do that, we get that question mark must be 48 degrees.